Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad button board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the touchpad board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the touchpad board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the RFID antenna ZIF connector and disconnect the RFID antenna ribbon cable from the RFID module. Remove the 5 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.